So this is the part of the living area where you can set your sofa. So once you enter, you can have a look at the interior with the master bedroom. And you can have a look. Here's a much more. Hello everyone, and a very warm welcome to Housey. Myself Jaitil, and today we are here at Asset Micropolis, which is located right here on Harluru Main Road. So this is the Harluru Main Road in Kudlu, South Bangalore. And this project is developed by Asset Group. And today we are here to check out their model flat. Now before moving further, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So right now I'm standing on the main entrance of our project. So this will be the main entrance of our project, and our 80-acre of massive land parcel starts from here itself. About the marketing office, so they have built their marketing office inside the land parcel over there itself. Now I know you guys must be wondering what exactly Housey is. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry, because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview with the help of this beautiful miniature. So the project is spread across 80 acres of land parcel, which is divided in phases. So currently launched with phase 1 consisting of 5 towers and other towers for future development. All the towers are rising up to 28 floors, starting from 2 basement ground plus 28 floors, having exclusive 3 BHK with 2 different variants and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now about the amenities part, and this project provides you world-class amenities like here's the basketball court, multi-purpose court, cricket pitch, amphitheater, landscape garden. Here's the massive clubhouse with swimming pool and many more amenities. Now let's discuss about the location part of the project, and the project is located on Harluru Main Road in Kudlu, South Bangalore. So let me show you the surrounding and the neighborhood of the project. So basically this is the Harluru Main Road, and this road on my right hand side will connect you towards Hosa Road, and the left hand side road will take you towards Kudlu Main Road. Now let's discuss about the further connectivity and location of the project. So Happy Big Bazaar is just 500 meters away from the project. Felicity Mall is 1.3 kilometers away. Electronic City Flyover is 1.7 kilometers from the location of the project. Here comes your 4 BHK model flat of 2,476 square feet super built up area. So basically here's the main entrance of your house. But before that, let me show you that they are also providing the servants room, which has a separate access and the entry. Once you enter, you can have a look that here's a bed space for your mates with a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, the storage area, and even they have the attached washroom as well with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fitting. And now about the main house. So here's the main entrance which we have checked earlier, and once you enter, here's the foyer area for your privacy. Here you can add up your shoe rack as well, and this is your massive living and the dining area. So this is the part of the living area where you can set your sofa set like this over here in front of the TV unit space as well. And now let me show you the balcony, the favorite part. And here's the balcony. This is almost a double to room size balcony which they are providing, where you can again add up a sofa set which comes with anti-skid flooring, half wall structure with 2-side open view, and even they have added up the dining area. Now let's move further towards your dining and the kitchen area. So exactly in front of your kitchen area, they have provided a dining area. So you can add up your huge dining table over here. And now about the kitchen area. So the open kitchen concept makes it more spacious. So once you enter, you can have a look at the interior with the serving platform right in front, the platforms, the cabinets, and even here's the utility space. The huge utility space which is divided via tile drop. And here's the machine provision. You can add up your cabinets here, a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. And now let's move further towards your bedroom space. So let's move further. But before that, let me mention one thing. One bedroom is on the one side of the house, another three bedroom on the other side. So basically this will be the guest bedroom. Once you enter, here's the wooden flooring and the massive bed space. Here even they have added up the work table, and let me show you. Here's the window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and beside it is the storage area, that is a wardrobe space. And now about the attached washroom. Yes, the guest bedroom has the attached washroom itself with intricate tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now we'll be moving further towards your another bedroom. So you have to walk through your living and the dining area. So take this passage area, and right over here is your bedroom number 2. Once you enter, again with the wooden flooring, a huge bed space, a window for ventilation and lighting purpose as well. Here's a wardrobe space which is tucked inside. Attached washroom with intricate tiles and CP sanitary fitting. You can even add up a TV unit space right in front of the bed and the work table like this. So once you move outside, let's move further towards your bedroom number 3. And exactly beside that bedroom is your bedroom number 3. And this is that space with a huge bed, a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Here's a wardrobe area which is again tucked inside, which saves your space, study table, work table, whatever you can say. Now once you move outside from this bedroom with an easy access, here's the common washroom with intricate tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now before the last bedroom, let me introduce you all with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tour with such sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All those wonderful features on the Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free only on Housey.com. And now let's enter towards the last bedroom. Again the flooring, the wooden flooring. And yes, this is none other than the master bedroom. And you can have a look. Here's a much more space which you can use it in a multi-purpose way. You can add up your couches, your work table. Here's a master bed area and a private balcony as well. So here they have provided a private balcony with anti-skid tiles, iron railing, and you can enjoy a beautiful scenic view of the city. Again, the favorite and the unique part is the walk-in wardrobe right over here, the closet area, the separate closet area, and attached master washroom beside this. So here's the master washroom with intricate tiles and CP sanitary fittings. So until now, as you all know, we are here in Kudlu location. Have you checked another project in this location? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more details of the project, all is mentioned in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.